390 140, going to London Euston. Next pass is London Midland 350. Bound for Birmingham. 350 119 to Birmingham. Next in for London Midland is the 1127 London Midland service to London Euston. 350 101, the first 350. 350 101, the first class 350 to London Euston. But look, it's had quite a few scrapes. $390 117 from passing on the 1133 to from Liverpool to Euston. Next pull in on platform 5 will be 2 Sierra 19 from Bedford. Got a 156. We've got 150 Sprinter. 150 107. One 50 107. $150 from Bedford. Okay, next to arrive will be the 1146 London Midland service to London Euston. $350 118. $350 118 to Euston, London Euston. Next out is the slightly delayed 1145 service to Northampton. This is delayed due to an earlier train fault. 350 374. Sorry, 350 373. Nice way from the driver. And also arriving is 350 130 to London Euston. 350 373 to Northampton and 350 130 to London Euston. Pricing now is the 1150 London Midland service to Birmingham New Street. 350 127. $127 to Birmingham New Street via Northampton, with a bit of blood on the fly door, which is not very nice. Next is Pendolino through to Euston. 390 013 to London Euston. Next pass is another Virgin train to Pendolino, going to the north. Go very slowly. So they've got a single aspect, single yellow aspect. This is 390 130. £390-130 City of Edinburgh. £390-130 City of Edinburgh to London Euston. No, not to the north. Passing very slowly is £390-132. Also departing is a slightly delayed 11:55, 7 service to Milton Keynes Central only. That's City of Birmingham. 377-701.
377-701.
377-701 to Milton Keynes Central. Next to depart is our 1201 London Midland service to Bedford, the Marston Vale Line shuttle. A lovely thrash from 150-107. £350-107 down to up to Bedford. Via all the Marston Vale stations. Next to pass is a freight line. Next to fly through will be a Freightliner service from Lawley Street to Felixstowe. This bus is pending. What? 390-103. That one. 66-597. 66-597, thrashing away to Felixstowe. Obviously going to overtake the Pendolino. That's the Felixstowe. And the 390 was 103, which is the Royal British Legion one, which was going to London Euston. Next to pass through for Caledonian Sleeper. The Caledonian Sleeper is 0 Zulu 92 from Crewe Hospital to Willesden, TMD. Also passing the Virgin Voyager to London Euston. 221113. Thank you. 90044. 90044 to Wilson TMD. We'll passing now is 1 Hotel 66 to Manchester Piccadilly. 390-148. The Flying Scousman. 390-148. The Flying Scousman to the wrong place. It's going to Manchester. And to finish off is a Virgin Pendolino to London Euston. 390-114. And as she continues down, I will leave it there. Thank you very much for watching this episode. We've had quite a lot of Freightliner action, and I think it was we just had Freightliner. So, the next episode of Trains Out will be from Liverpool. Oh, so actually we'll wait till this is passed. So to finish us off will be this train. Wait, it's not a Virgin Voyager, something else. Now it's past is a Virgin Voyager. (221116). 221116. Okay, next to flash through will be a Freightliner 66 to Crewe Hospital. About to be bowled by a 350. 66 564. Also passing is the London Midland Service, London Euston. 65 64 to crew. Thank you. 350 110. Project 110. And as she continues on, I will leave it there. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Trainers Out. We've had quite a lot of Freightliner action and quite a lot of London Midland action. That was a good way to end. That's a good way to end us off with a Freightliner shed, thrashing through, and a 350 110 Project 110 toning through. So the next videos will probably be Liverpool Lime Street on the big Liverpool trip, featuring DB trains and AB trains. So we're seeing from me here at Bletchley. It's goodbye.